The recipe calls for 3/4 of a cup of oat flour, and so knowing that I want to make this dumpling thicker than the pancake corn fritter, I'm going to blend or grind 1 cup of oat flour. I'm using the Ninja blender system. I have used the blender to make this, but because I'm only making a small amount of flour, I'm just going to use the cup. So I'm going to use food puree, and I might use it for 2 sessions. We'll have a look. Okay, that's 1 session, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go for a second round. Yes, there's a few whole flakes in there still, so I'm gonna go a second round. And now we have oat flour. There we go.